In this video, we are going to learn how we can make swatches in the product grid and how we can display those swatches on the collection pages. So by the end of this video, you will be able to make swatches like this, and if you hover on these swatches, the images changes. Okay, so this is the functionality we are going to build this in this video. So let's go to the code and create a new file in the sections. Name it swatch-colors.liquid. In this section, we need to write some schema for grabbing the color value and color names. So you will type schema, and the name of this section would be product swatches, and we are going to build some blocks. So I'll type block, and the block we need to define what kind of block we have. So type color underscore swatches, and name would be color swatches, and settings. In the setting, we need to type of the values, one for color name, one for color value. So make object and type would be text for color name, ID would be title, so label would be color name. In the next field, we need a type color, and ID would be color as well, and label should be swatch fix. Now we need to look through all these blocks, and we need to add some style for each block. So I will add the style tag here, and we are going to use the class color dash. Here we will add the color name, whatever the color name would be. So before that, let's look through all the blocks. Type for loop for block in section dot blocks, and for now I will type color dash. Here I will grab the color name, so I'll say block dot settings dot title, handleize. Now I'll type handleize. Handleize will make the color name into small and remove the spaces and convert that into the dashes. Now we need to define the background color for each color name. So we will grab block dot setting dot color. It will return the color value that will be assigned to this color class. So we have done with this section. Now we need to include this section in the theme.liquid. Open theme.liquid file and add this section anywhere near the footer. You can add anywhere, but I'm going to add near the footer. So I'll say sections, and the name of the section swatch dash colors. Save that and go back here in the theme and click on customize. Now we have product swatches, and we need to add all the color swatches here. Click on add color swatches and give the name of the color. Let me go back here and grab the color name. The color name is blue, so I will just select the blue color like this. copy that color and paste it over here and type the name below. Similarly, for the next color, the name of the next color would be red, and we need to grab the color value. Add another block, and let's say it's red, and make it red. And for the next color, that is green, and this is the green color. Let me grab that color as well, and I will type add another color green and paste that over here. And the final one is this yellow, and let's grab that color as well and add a block yellow. So you have to add all the colors which are coming in all the products. So I just added for the first product 4 colors, and let me put that value here. I save that. Now we have this product swatches. So let's go back to the code again and open main dash collection dash product dash grid, and we need to look through all the options of the products. For that, we will type for loop options in product.options with the value, because we need the value of each option as well. So now we have all the options like color, sizes, but we need only color option values. So I will say if option.name contains color, then we are going to loop through all the values. So before that, let's write a div class custom swatches list, and in that div I will loop through all the values. I will say for value in option dot values, and I will print the name of all the colors values value. Let's save that and reload the page. Now we have the name of all the colors, so let's convert them into the swatches. For that, we need to write a span, and class would be color dash the value and handleize. It is the same class which we have described the CSS over here. So color dash value, then handleize, and now we need to close this span as well. Now reload the page. Now we have all the swatches. These are the only swatches which we have defined here. So you need to add more swatches over here, and then you will see the swatches on each product. For now, we have added only the swatches for the first product, so that's why it is showing on the first product. So you need to add all the colors in the customizer. So now we need to change the image on hovering on these swatches. So let's grab the image first, go back to the code, and here we need to look through all the variant images. So we will type for variant in product.variants, and here I will say if variant.title contains value of the color, then assign a variable variant underscore image underscore source, and here we will get the variant image and pipe sign imgurl column and 1000 pixel image, and in the span we will add custom attribute data image source, and we will print this variable over here. So save that, and now I reload the page again, And if you inspect, we have the image of each variant of each color here in the custom attributes. Now we need to add some jQuery. So whenever we hover on these colors, the main image change. So let's go back to the code, and in the bottom we're going to type document on mouse over, and the class name is dot custom dash swatches dash list, and in that class we have a span and then function and in that function first we need to grab the image. So let's say let image source is equal to this dot attribute, and the name of that custom attribute data image source, and then let's get the main image. So we'll say product image is equal to $, this dot closest product grid dot find product image. So what we are doing here, we are going to find the closest product grid, and then we find the product image, the main image div, and after that we are going to replace product image dot CSS. So we are going to add the CSS of that main product image. We'll change the background image, background dash image, and here backticks, and we'll say URL. In the URL we pass that custom attribute $, and brackets and image source. So whenever we hover on the custom swatches list span, it will grab the custom attribute data image source. It will get the image source, and it will then we will get the product main image div, and we will replace the background image of that image. So let's try that and reload the page, and you hover on the swatches and you notice the image is being changed. So this is how you can add custom swatches on the product grid. Thank you.